Hi, I'm Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. Today I will be doing an unpacking of something really special that I had been waiting for since Christmas last year. This one is from Kathy's Fibres here in Australia. So go check her out. She has a lot of really pretty things available in her shop, or you can order online. So let's open this. I bought some dyes that I had run out of. Which I bought a Daintree green. This is a very pretty colour, one of my favourite greens. I got a bright yellow in wattle. These dyes are called landscape dyes. They're for dyeing wool and silk. And the other one is a mustard colour. So I'll be doing a dyeing session tomorrow. If you want to check out my pretties on my Facebook page, I will be posting a lot of pictures, and hopefully I'll have some available for sale on my Etsy shop. With my Etsy shop, I've just added my sale discount price to everything, so go check it out. The link is on my banner on my YouTube channel. Everything is 15% off, and all garments have free postage. Now this is beautiful, dreamy, beautifully soft to die for fibre. This is what I've been waiting for a while now. It is the hypoallergenic fibre. So it's got faux cashmere, which is a man-made cashmere, silk and pearl fibre. So the 50% faux cashmere, 25% silk and 25% pearl fibre. So I got a kilo of it. This is special. She doesn't normally do a kilo of this stuff or anything, but with discussion, she may be doing more. I'm hoping to have more of this every 2 months from her. So this is a new one that I would like to continue to sell in my shop as my main one of my main fibre products. The other one that I normally get a lot of is the cashmere silk, which I am out of. I plan on getting some more of that next month. So yeah, exciting. I'm so glad to have something other than just 21.5 micron merino. So this is in a nude. I will be dyeing it up, and I'll have it for sale as tops as well as yarn. So keep an eye out on my Etsy shop. I will have these up on it by next week. So that is exciting. This stuff is so soft and so silky. So if you're allergic to wool, this has no wool in it. Okay, so this is perfect for you if you have very sensitive skin or allergies. I'll bring it closer for you to see it. Look how silky soft this is. Beautiful. Well, that's it for me for today. I'm going to be working on a couple videos for tonight and probably over the weekend. I've got a blog. This one I did a roll ag video, and I've got a video spinning up on this thing. So how exciting. Thanks for joining me, and bye for now. Bye.